Hi guys, Teresa here. I know this is kind of an awkward angle, but I am getting ready for my work from home day, and I thought I would just hop on and share quickly what kind of my go-to makeup products are for just a work from home day. I do not do a lot of makeup since I have started working from home because I'm just at home on my computer with some virtual meetings here and there. But I do put on some makeup that just helps me feel more put together, more ready for anything that might come up at work or outside of my home. So it's nothing crazy. I have already used my L'Oreal Glamour Lotion, the NARS Tinted Moisturizer, and then the NARS Under Eye Concealer. Those are my three kind of base products. And then from there, I will do a little bit of contour just to give me some color to my face. Since I work from home, I don't get outside very much. So I have started using the Fenty Beauty contour stick. You can see it is covered in makeup because I use it constantly. I love this product. It blends so well, the color is gorgeous, and just gives a really nice natural contour and color to your face. So I have color Mocha. It's the Fenty Beauty contour stick match sticks. So I'm going to do it on this side here. I'll just do like one little strip here, and then a little bit on my edge, and I'm just going to do half so you can see the difference. And then I'll use a brush to blend it in. I love putting it on my forehead. I know that having sunspots on your forehead is like not good, especially to my friends that are dermatologists, but I just love the look of having some sun and some color on your forehead. So that was super quick, but just like gives a nice natural glow to this side of your face versus this side, which is just flat. So super easy to blend, super nice color, and this is kind of my go-to for just like everyday makeup. I do have some other bronzers that are definitely more pigmented, but for just, you know, every day working from home, I have absolutely loved this Fenty Beauty contour stick. So if you're looking for a good contour that's just like nice, easy every day, I highly recommend